Very quick review before pulling the starter and the other components. I already unplugged the solenoid and the battery, the cable to the starter. So this side should be good. Alright, other side. Okay, I gotta remove the ABS module around here in order to get back into there. I may even have to take some of the exhaust off to get to those bolts back there. So, alright, take this off, reassess, check in later. Okay, so I might be officially in over my head. I got the ABS off and it leaked all over. Mostly in the pan though. I don't know how to put that back in. So I hope that gets me to the starter to at least replace it. And then I'll worry about the other stuff later, I guess. But yeah. Am I doing this right? Okay. Alright, so once the ABS was removed, I took the heat shield off the exhaust. Now I have a clear access to the starter. Hopefully you pull these bolts out and everything pops out. Easy peasy. Crossing fingers. Alright.